This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county and Arundel County, Maryland, coastal flood warning in effect until 8 a.m. Friday. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect until 8 a.m. Friday. The coastal flood advisory is no longer in effect. Tidal anomaly, 2 feet above normal. Timing, minor coastal flooding will become moderate near high tide. Expected impacts, moderate coastal inundation. Here is time of the next high tide. Annapolis, United States Naval Academy, 3:25 a.m. A coastal flood warning means that flooding is occurring or imminent. Coastal residents in the warned area should be alert for rising water and take appropriate action to protect life and property. This hazardous